Hello and welcome to week 9 of Educational Psychology and Human Development. I hope that you had a great spring break and had an opportunity to catch up on reading or sleep or enjoy time with your friends or family. And so this week we will be continuing chapter 6. So hopefully you had a chance either last week or the week before to be reading chapter 6 and watching the different lecture videos over chapter 6. There is a lot to cover, and once again, just make sure that you have reviewed these two supplemental readings here because it just provides some additional information to supplement what's in the textbook. And so this week, for week 9, again, just continuing on chapter 6, be sure to watch the videos of moral development and multiple intelligences. This just adds to what we've discussed in the chapter. And then this week, the only thing that is due is to complete your substance abuse training. So similar to the mental health training, this is a module that you'll complete on your own through a third party. It is something that's required by the state of Texas if you are a teacher education major. So those of you in the DX1 section, this will apply to you. So be sure to complete the training. It's an easy 100 if you get it submitted on time, so just be sure to do that. And then upload a PDF of your certificate into TK20 via this link. So be sure to work on that, and just as a reminder, in a couple of weeks you'll be doing the very last training. So if you do have an opportunity or have time, it's something that you can work ahead on. So if you have questions, please feel free to post in the class discussion board. Thank you.